We'll start with the orange beams right here.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's build it! Hooray! But wait! A speedy little problem was about to sneak onto the scene. What's this giant scroll? Maybe it holds nuts. But wait! A speedy little problem was about to sneak onto the scene.
Stop! That's our construction manual. I remember the material, but what about the curve radius? It has to be perfect. The blueprint was gone. With sundown approaching, panic began to bubble up. Oh no!
They checked every single spot the blueprint might have fallen or been copied. Even the giant acorn dumpster